How is everybody doing today? Obviously, Avatar The Last Airbender is all the rage lately, and as a graphic designer, I'm always looking to make something. I just always want to create something. It's in my blood. And this morning, I woke up and had a really cool idea for like an illustration or a poster. So I'm just gonna start recording and just see what happens. So maybe it'll be like part time lapsey. I don't know. We'll see what happens. So let's start. You know what really sucks? Being a lefty and your microphone arm coming from the left side, so I'm like bumping into it every 2 seconds. Oh man. Alright, so I made some tweaks to the final output of the design. I made the glow less crazy. Got some feedback from designers saying it actually made Aang look blurred rather than like the eyes and the arrow were glowing. I also took off the glow from behind his head. I think that started to take away from the icons I was making. But adding in the tweak time, this design took me about 3 hours. I'm very, very proud of it, and I hope you guys really liked it, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. If owning a poster with this design interests you at all, a link to my Etsy shop with it will be down in the description. There'll be 2 size options, 12 by 16 and then 18 by 24. I'll also throw some black and navy blue t-shirts down in the description as well if you're more of a t-shirt person. But until then, thank you for watching, thank you for supporting the YouTube channel, and if you purchase a shirt or poster, you're supporting my art as well, which I'm super, super thankful about during these times. Hope you stop by for my video tomorrow. I'll be playing Subnautica. Until then, stay safe everyone. Have a nice day.